You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A name from Wings of Fire. There are different pronunciations for it. Americans generally say it as Qibli, Qibli. In the UK, an alternative pronunciation is as Qibli, Qibli. Some say it also as Qibli, but there's no U after the Q, so that doesn't make much sense to me. In Chinese, it would be said as Qibli, because Q is pronounced Ch in Chinese, so that could be also another pronunciation. How do you say it yourself? Let us know, let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.